I have a bosxh logixx 7 and the following lights are flashing 800, spin and end. What is the fault? It is also bleeping and will not let me start a program. Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number please? Regards.
WIS 24140GB/26.
Hi, okay, that error code is flashing is a motor fault. Try and reset it by turning the dial to off, then turn dial to 6 o'clock position, then press and hold the spin reduce button and keep held in. Then turn the dial 1 click clockwise and keep button held in for about 5 seconds, then let go. Then turn dial to off and then that should clear the error code. Then retry the washer, but if it does it again then Teresa fault on the motor circuit. For this you need to remove the motor and check the carbon brushes in the back of the motor. Try that and see how it goes and let me know. Regards.
Brilliant, thank you, it is working now.
Hi, nice one, just see how it goes, but if it happens again then it's a fault on the motor. If you could rate the answer I gave, that would be great. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.